Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of December the 2nd through the 8th, 2022. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop and Martin's have the same deals, but not always. So make sure you're checking your own ads and prices in store before you do these exact same deals. My shopping list is in the description box below. If I ever forget, just comment because I sometimes forget to add that in before I publish the video. So let's go ahead and just get started with the deals. So this is kind of a personalized deal. When you go into your app and you click earn points, you can see what products will actually earn you points. And I had two different earn 50 choice points back when you buy one. And these things were on sale for $2, the Giant brand. So I actually earned 100 points back, 250 points. So it was only a cost of $1. Butterfingers, they're $1 a piece. There's $1 off a digital coupon. When I submit my receipt to coupons.com on the app, I'll also get back $1 off of two. I would tell you guys this all the time. But on coupons.com on the app, when you submit your receipt, it comes off as a personal discount when you use digital coupons, not a coupon. So that's why it works together. The My Mochi is $1.50. I really wasn't going to get this stuff. I saw this pop up on Ibotta, I think earlier in the week. I gave all of it away. And she wasn't really crazy about some of the flavors, but she did say she liked this one. So I got her 5 of them. They're $1.50. You get back $1.50 each on Ibotta, so I made it free. I also had a $10 off of $50 or $100 purchase. That was a best coupon. I also purchased some milk and some other essentials that aren't pictured here. So I also got additional $10 off this order. The Kraft is $2.50, 50 cents on Ibotta. It makes it a cost of $2. And the Breakstones is $2. 50 cents back on Ibotta makes it $1.50. The Poptarts, so the gingerbread 12 pack are supposed to be the ones that are a part of the 5-point freebie, but it works on the s'mores as well as the cherry. So I went ahead and just grabbed those. I didn't even see the gingerbread one unless they had a display. So s'mores and cherry are the only thing showing up that also works for that from what I can see. The Mccain are $3.50. There's $1 digital coupon and $1 on the coupons.com app when you submit your receipt. Makes it a cost of $1.50. The Chobani, I did have coupons that they had mailed me, 75 cents. These guys were $1.25. So it doubles up to $1.25, making one free. And the other one, I had a coupon for a free singles yogurt. Okay, I was completely shocked that I actually found this in the store. This is a really great deal. One of you guys actually told me about this deal, and I really wasn't expecting to find it, but this showed up on the shelf. So the Red Baron stuffed crust pizza is 2 for $11. There's $2.50 back on Ibotta. Submitted for that twice. Sorry guys, still getting over the cold. There's $1 and $1 off a 2 digital coupon that's stacked together, making it a total cost of $4 or only $2 a piece. And for frozen pizza, that's a great deal. If Ibotta resets, I'm going to do this on my other card. The Musselman's is $2.99, 75 cent Ibotta makes it $2.24. Not the cheapest, but if it's something you use, it's not a bad price. Okay, guys. So this deal was buy 6, earn 400 points. The app was acting really weird this morning and was only showing like, I don't know, 12 products working for the deal. And I knew that wasn't right. So there's probably a lot of other things included, but I had to manually check some of these barcodes to make sure they were going to give me the points back. So I don't know if they were having app issues this morning or what. But what I did is grab 4 Nature Valley and 2 of the cereal bars. I had 2 different 50 cent off of 2 on Nature Valley and $1 off of 2. Ibotta has 50 cents back on these crunchy dipped bars. And then they also have 25 cents on a whole bunch of different varieties. Just the protein is not included in this deal, and the wafers, and I think maybe the granola cups. But anyway, I also got back 1,200 fetch points after I corrected my receipt because it wasn't recognizing neither of the crunch bars or I think the oatmeal one. So I did get those points back. They also gave me back 800 fetch points. I think it was 400 points for buying 3 General Mills bars, and I purchased 6 of them. And then for the General Mills cereal bars, I got $1 off a 2 digital coupon. Ibotta has 75 cents on each. And then over on the coupons.com app, there's a 50 cent off a 2 coupon that I can submit my receipt for. Now, there's also a spend 25, I think, earn $5 back on the Nature Valley. But really weird, whenever I submit my receipt for those offers, a lot of times they don't even track me. They just straight up give me the $5. So Who knows? I might end up getting that as well. But without calculating that extra $5, it would be $7.50 or only $1.25 a piece. And we love Nature Valley, so that's a good enough deal for us. Always keep your eyes out for clearance meat. Just pop it in the freezer. But $6.13 for some cube steak. That's a good enough deal for me. And then the ground beef. I have this packaged up because it was kind of messy. So it's $1 off per pound on the value packs. So I got this thing for $10.53 or $2.49 a pound for ground beef. Is a really good price. The Blue Bonnet, it's $1.50. You don't need coupons or anything else. I just ended up buying 2 of them for all my holiday baking. And then I found these guys. I think they're $1.14. Yeah, I always check like the clearance section where your food or your store puts markdown food. Now guys, I saved the best deal for last. I'm thinking this is a glitch, honestly, because I don't think they intended for this to happen, but I kind of thought maybe it would, just because whenever Giant has like spend a certain amount on this, you get this, a discount. And a lot of times you don't really have to buy all the other stuff. It just gives you the discount if you buy the thing they're talking about. So it was working on Huggies. I told you guys this in my ad preview that I would check it for you. And it was working online, and I was like, I wonder if it's going to work in store. So I went ahead and gambled, and it worked. So the deal is supposed to be spend $25 on Gerber, save $8 on the large boxes of Huggies, pull-ups, things like that. So I grabbed the cheaper one. There's more expensive ones. They're $26.99 for the movers, but $24.99 for this Snug and Dry. You do want to grab the size 3 to 7 in order to use the digital and the Ibotta and the Fetch, I think. So just be aware of that. If you're grabbing smaller sizes, it won't be as cheap. So I did get the $8 discount. I bought no Gerber at all, and it still came off. I had a $3 digital that expires on Saturday. You may also have a coupons.com offer as well for $3 back. I already redeemed for that last week, I believe. And then I bought it's giving back $4. I got back 2,000 points from Fetch for buying any size 3 to 7 Huggies diapers. I also got back 100 choice points for buying any Huggies. That was a special offer. So for me, I paid $6.99 for this really big box of diapers. I think it's like 80 some diapers. So I'm stocking up for our baby. If you don't already know that, we are stocking up, and that was an amazing deal. So I want to share that with you guys. I cannot guarantee it's going to work for you if you do this, even maybe on Saturday. I don't know how long it'll work for. Obviously, I don't think it was intended, but if you're able to grab it, let us know like when you shopped and if it was still working. But don't go to customer service and be like, I didn't get $8 off if you didn't purchase your Gerber, because it's not advertised that way. So just be aware of that. It's a gamble if you go ahead and risk it. Check the app maybe before you go do that deal. All right, guys, so that's all I grabbed this week. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.